ton ade say when you say scan no met ma convert in 1 day just a seconds na menya na me ato ade etime me wa account so America me wa account so Canada me wa account so Singapore me wa account so Dubai me wa account so Italy Germany me wa account so Ghana akwa dem was 7 accounts me Fidelity me wa Barclays Ecobank Ecobank different accounts but me the different names and ABB different names and ABB enti no says can nyina nyame dia because nyame dia enya adwuma na me ye no collection ne aforebo ne tight ni sika eya spiritual sika makofa convert e dia ba hwe na ne bi frame sisi a owo Canada hwe mesko ye fense na den na prempe my na prempe de isa enye na prempe okumasi o opa ma me friend sisi a na my friend no me friend no price na all the plane ni blame you me se me to plane no what dem me friend no me pen go me se me to we e dey UK we say begu so wa peke hello nana bishop me ba jona prempe ni o me pa cho okay nana me pa cho last from na mo Spain right Isaka chile yo I will catch them okay I will catch them so yeah me who send out yeah announcement to your home house of yeah nana e issue ben is back say na e issue ben ya si ade wada roma em say bibiano if I make a sign to my idea on your behalf for Eluprino. Yeah, they say play no money cities, the city say when 12 seat VIP 12 seat they say mudi medina bibi no also Brunino opposition ni signature yeah the tare ho nyina via said the embassy bishop and kanisana me na me ma so omunim say mama ma dia say so for penny kese pa na ya ama no it is a document no me wa on person ka me famra nanka sign nanka me ye no email but email ni your original thing ka me am see me the first class ticket aba na mabishia nanka bache uni nyina mu ne but say wo UK wo London no London na plane wo hefa a plane wo ha e wo UK wa okay tika ba Isakura ka say me Spain na Isakura ka say mo say nka mo pese mo tu plane isha mo Spain ho na me need you send commit my side to catch him say o se o nya ho na me ka say mamu tu plane ya me ka che Isa say mamu tu plane isha mo Spain wo because me nche wo na bishop wadaro ma de woman say adia me pese ye de show nsem no em say empire board be ti machine de em say de me sabe so bia na da ni nhyira me pese example kese o emo mu the difference o esiwa bishop enye president bia na o timi bi kra na yon kono no it's my imagine say the planes too na baba how about the plane too na baba back here friend Gulf Stream and about also Challenger na Gulf Stream no ye can one and a Challenger no so my in a form of and yeah asempa 20 the person wow which now choose back on I very comfortable man my mom Matia say how important you are and how busy you are and you know yeah waiver document, you know, your science is asempa. Bishop Anka said was sign her. And a brochure on person anyway in an omubusa or picture and then why so said Omia the presentation cashier. I had the bar, Nina can't have a present and be so beautiful at the amount.
Okay. It's a couple of the bandana.
What are Romanina or Okase? Pay your availability, I met many was here. And she said, weekly mukra beba.
In Nana, when you have a pretty of us in the turn in today.
Bishop said, yeah, Tony Lenny is now granted the show somewhere. My catch on soil of Penny. Yana a charity at the end, you know. Omo Emma would yen conform and Omo Mao. Opportunities the bread and politicians and businessmen. And Tiama would asempa can respect me a bit different from businessmen. Our person tonade. And if me person me pushing you and in a be drew your chrome we are now for my catch okay. Charity software in your say
say me ma okwan sisi ase mo fa plane ni mra Ghana sisi ai be take how many weeks month.
Oh, ain't taking months. Yeah. Then one say beje air traffic control be my quite them say mra. And no 24 hours to 48 hours.
Like I say no aviation for na mama kwai airport for na.
Aviation for London for any Ghana.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
It is our information is many china crown and say within just week na beba.
You reach me the aba. You reach me the aba pa.
No, sir, come with 2 room na ba na ka mayi ba ko na.
Me pa jo I me say ye show ni me no nyina. Na ye ma wo ni me no nyina the benefits e wo. And in the luxury on say sia na me hu say o ko Dubai. And it me aircraft a long range. So utu from Ghana, unyina baby, I just a baby oko. Intimate baby 4,000 nautical miles. So utua, unyina baby inside fill tank na dobekwa could do baby oko. It's a London crown over. London 24 nautical miles, and you know, 3,500 nautical miles. To make from London up to Greenland.
Okay.
I can make a long range. Make a long range. And I know, but I'm not going to make Sunday, we know, at WhatsApp number who said it here.
Plain Nankasa.
Aye.
Oh, okay, now we are saying this here.
I must send the amount. The particular seater, your reserve say, oh, seater, was saying, yeah, no, the monitor, it was a boss seat, no, press yaba. No, and I'm pressing a throw. Within and I say, oh, logo via. Thank you, design logo not to see our better transport. Nhyira. That's a whole for via. And I say, oh, logo for province. Open say, main door now, you do remono. You do logo ni bonachi. Near show within Gusro.
Oh, okay. Okay. Intino, dear, send the money to see Antino.
Me pacho mate.
We are myself.
Pacho me send the amount. Pacho you. With us.
We all started having 1 year about. I didn't think I mean cash over for playing him. Okay. Now me person can be some amount. Na ka obi ate amount no. Price or more bono. Make me ato ne ne ato ni chira misika bebre kura saka.
Wow.
Enya misika. I have plenty money in my spiritual bank. I have plenty money in my spiritual warehouse. Ghana fo nyame. Na menye de osuma me na dwuma. Me pese obi ya be distracting my attention after different right or left. I'm a Jesus Christ of Nazareth ajeje me. Enti na se me se obi ya de am mfie because I was say me ye osuma me na dwuma. Met him out to play in there.
Wow.
Mr. Price no more the mamma no. Enya price I mean to and the sika nya misika. Enya sole collection nya for a boy nya bebo me TV program one. E ye sun sum sika makofa convert aba honemu. You say wokɔ Bank of Ghana se CAA wo Ghana ha sika gu hɔ security no wɔ kwasa become say wada Bank of Ghana watch man ni police ni immigration ni fire services for ne hwan soldiers national security ni bia na for kwa yeso mo nhwe so kran e bia assembly kwa wayɛ dɛ wada ona akwa na etokuta na oni ani
or the be home spiritually
timi wura hɔ you go na me say bom ma se say gu bag na me de aba me dem na ma convert na aba physical na me kɔto me bank baako because Ghana sika no obi ani ma no president kuro anim Ghana sika no omu ni ma no obi ani ma no yesi ni padodo e wo Ghana yesi over 30 million omu boa enkolan yen kan enkolan ketuan kan ho o debi so ati ase enti no ebi mmemu trimu da se me ko challenge wo bia na mani ko bri wo bi me to challenge ama Ghana for ni wiase say obi obebie na no say obi ni mani bri wo bia na obi ni me obi ko challenge no sebi wan ko school enru akiri ana se fie nyansa na kakra tina ma to sebi no ana se wonwen because onim me je me person mi bia meti maye but ye ma me kwan se menye I say me focus attention. You say me, I say nipa because baby, I'm here. My say me say na. Me di honam niyama nachi na me nye sunsun nso adwuma. Esa na Jesus Christ ba obe jeje me. E wa adom no de ma because I know one fan ko obi no de ma me. E na de bia me ko spiritual meeting a angels na me ko hia no mpanifo na me ko hia no. Ensam o me de ba meeting ensam me de ba no. Na je say adwuma na me ye no omu so de omu ye no me hu enti se nko ya nko meka a kire me so ati ase ti na me ka say me ye account so ma Jesus Christ of Nazareth direct ti me say me ka say bebre
Ugusu Air Soul TV. We're having a one-on-one discussion with Archangel Obinim. It was Soul TV. Now, we be na mini so a church in maybe. And me ankasa some of declarations be more no. Me ankasa metia crampo no. Me ho e dream kakra heba. He's a man of his words. Or any be as or kase me ade we ya obey. But as he said, oni obia enko challenge. Oni obia anywhere enko challenge. Archangel Obinim. Pese me bisao. Wakwaba 3 times. This is the 4th time. Why Ghana? Because when we say Ghana for ekasa efa. So why Ghana? And then I okoya wasambi one could be before, but Ghana now.
If we are so be one master. Can I Japan one master? And you know, I'm going to say. Oh, before crown master. Ubia one master. Monsieur master ni Jesus Christ. Inti dear papa ne betro se pi wa ha no koye adwuma na ho na wo se wo pi di metimi aka no nti nyame pe na me de ba Ghana
no de ba Ghana
e Jesus Christ of Nazareth ene se me pi Ghana nyame adwuma nti ye wo no
ti se wa ye hu
menye hwe
afi me a me ya o interview ni crampo no mesro cause why you
ima Yema me kwaya everybody. Once last week, me jina so them sometimes I feel to fly.
Yeah.
Person me yira. Na fe mo pa cho no. Nyamo ma cho pa na me ti o.
Utie the voice from above.
Obi so me ntimi yira. Wey. Yema me kwan se me nya ne ma bi. Ye me kan no. Jesus Christ a mission as no master no o ma me kwan se me nyane mabi ka me nyane mabi pa ma maka asem bi ene kura sa asem ne ba me tirim to me ne de nyame de mbefa bi a me pene so ma sai singricha bi e was spiritual a guarantee ade bi me be kan no dem haye but Jesus Christ na nkasa o me papa na e wo so ma approve ano o man me because on me your agreement be for adie bi but kame metena ha me pese me ko deep say Jesus ma me kwaso obinim agreement am no koye no hyase ye adwuma me kama men for current me meme ma beka no happen the test na MC afo ne kai omo mo hwem bebre wo so TV so mo kai kame nyusu mobile phone as a condition de ma me say me nyusu phone me ba sole bia ho a 1 month ni ma ba sole nti asole me ba no once me nye counseling sa emergency me nye me free ni party biem akọ spiritual work eti nipa be hu me nipa dua na me be ye ade bi asa akọ ti me ye adwuma ne purely spiritual but implications are na ewo mu no me hwe be affect me yere ne me mba sabi me ntimi ne me yere kran have sex me man ntimi hu manim because always be measure them me cars ni nyina wo bia me ntimi ntu enko ba bia na asole mpo no wo be ko no once a month na car no na wutu akọ airport na wo ko hin eti bibi bia be waste eti me free ni party biam ti badua ne die be sei matade be sei bibia be sei eti Jesus na nkasa me sa na enekwa na me ka kire obi say Jesus Christ na nkasa watene se wo say ade wei me free wo binim e wo meeting ana mka kire obinim se obinim se ni se na mpesa me yew purely spiritual na open so o kind na se papa me pene so eno se open so assign na me sign ye eno se da be na mama approval o se nya abotre eno start say o che me say o start here e be feto yire o ma o workers ojuma for wa so ma ko so be ko asole once a month umpie o be hye dem be ye mpaibo be ye fasting be sunsunuma wo di ade ma wo bia na pie physical na wo wura sunsun so a wo ko wenchen a memo wadan ho nti be physical bo ko be dan police soldier migration ni nyina be physical ye be spiritual se doctor be dan nurse be dan bodam fo be dan wo ba be dan be mo be dan be ne physical wo ko physical ko boa wo bi wo ya no afa dan bi achi ni wa yira wo yira no sa be hye dem ho asole dem nso so a wo betima dan ho different person na ko tena so dem na wo tie de onkola na ye wo ya na wasa afa dwon so dan ne toilet wo no wasa ayira no sa be hye dem iti be mo dan ne ho nipa physical kokko ba bi bebira ko ya ade wo ya na wasa ayira no ba dem iti physical ne de nipa be hu wanim se wo binim na nkasa ni a ye once occasion ni mo yire no e be affect no ko so yire do wa so le man do ma do workers do to me hu wanim kura na o mo be ho itu de nya bote me mo approval Jesus ka say mo eche so ma approval no 2 years back
the approval is not yet
oh sure say nkofo bi ben mo a me ka say nkofo bi ben mo a musu Jesus do mo me twa me hu firi me hu be mo ya say me tie ye bebre de say me ne mo kasa
ampa
enu me kwase Louis abewura me dem we pesca
ateneto
mateneto enti no me shedem 1 month e punu kase
bom kremi
anya so bom kremi wo kra wonim de wo hontu ko bom aye den ase wo bom a wo disturb me eti wo try so be disturb me a wo mimie wo tu be si form no na obi fofo bi ahia wo anabo wan se wo bi ahia no wa kawo so be disturb no ma dane wo wa kawo wo won de ni me kawo sisi a ese jata suntu ntimi wura wo dem ho na ntwe ntimi wura gate wo so de ntimi fa siri nso be bia pa na makawo na me komba bi.
I think sir let's give your viewers
in short yes menye no ye nya me na menye medwuma ne pese obi abedi stable be
Archangel Obinim oye ejuma more e wo dayem oye ejuma no more e wo dayem should we be expecting more of it in dayenimu inta be bisa sa ne say most of encrofo na omo eba wo ho no obi ba mi hu wo dayem should it be that kind of way ne say Angel Obinim every time be on the dayemu na oye ejuma dayemu no ejuma inta make us no so say encrofo be bri wo ho no ma up to now unin so be nyi won this oye bofo
oka Ghana fo anase oh edi asana kanisa Yesu Kristo na nkasa kora Messiah no bepem na nkofo nyini ni edente wo Muslim and Christian and Buddhism Judaism edentia mebo obidin Mesbel na wotonyom no me maboni din wo me program so media ni pomfa phone friend no say me say Mesbel ba me ho I think say January or February what Miami Hall Mia Mesbel ya wotunum ye e ba Miami ho ene met Miami fie hall e wa Accra as me kenya last month the last 2 months you make 2018 year January year as me kenya say ko 1 year Mesbel ba me ho na ade corona what they buy the minti kan wa because any personal issue na asem nyina say o me mugidie ti menye bibi ma no ade cross minti kan wa ha maboni din because enya bosum fie ni okoy nyankopon fie ni bie ma no ka kire ni plain say me the Jesus Christ to me atim beboa no ono so bie na no ka kire mi plain say esun no owo mu no unbelieve Jesus but obelieve nyankopon eti me kan kire na plain say me the nyankopon to me beboa but enye Jesus nam say esun be no so Judaism ni nam so really ena me so me ka kire ni plain say me enya me nyankopon na edili me Obinim ni Jesus Christ of Nazareth na edili eti me na me timi ka say me nyankopon to me na beboa no me Jesus no week bia me hu no nyankopon me hu ni 4 times ena nye nyankopon na be jeje me eye Jesus Christ na be jeje me eti me no Jesus so na de adom ne ma me eti Jesus Christ of Nazareth ono na me de ni tumi no de ama me no me ka de minim no me ko ka de minim no tene yesi yesum nyame a otiase wo wu ye osa sore the word otiase chese nyankopon wo mu da tinti ka se nyame otiase ba Yesu wo wu asa sore ti ye ka se nyame otiase ne chese obi wo wu sore
sorry okay
ti o sister la no ono de genevieve e cha na che na me ka cha se me beye bibia ma na hu se Jesus wo to me still what they me tolo de matoa e wona so ka cha ni plane o hwe me kura na so o pa o mra bonte me ka de making me ka cha ni plane se sa na te dia me so minti bi nya hwe ma no me ka cha se minti bi nya hwe ma no mimi gina mi TV so aka se wa ofre me be 2 or 3 times ba manfa bi okopim so jai frɛ bepem ne enyo no nko awo me be se me bo obi adin bio enkrofo jimi di ba me nchen but oba me kyerɛw be me gina se enya duro enya juju enya occultic power me nyo illuminati me nyo brotherhood me nyo freemason me nyo sisterhood me nyo young money occult team no ekuo no me nyo bi me na krensi wo mo camp hoda se me kodwo bi kura da wo mo gate no kwa me nsi hoda eduro ne akonfo ne malam fie ne sa bosom fie ne ho kura physical me nko obi da kura na maka se me nim na de ban me de me nim ho ne Jesus Christ of Nazareth a obewuji nipa nyina nkwa Yesu a Pentecost Roman Assemblies Anglican Presby obi aboni din ye ne Jesus tu bia wo wiase ene Jesus me ensa ene Jesus for Jesus we ba akopɛ Yesu wo wu yi otie gye nyankopɔn nsani fa so wodi ma ya atene for Kristofo Yesu obi aboni din bɔ mpa ne tumi ne din ya adwuma no ɔno na afrɛ me de ne tumi na adwuma ma me eti mo ba me nkyɛ sɛ ohia mboa make sure sɛ me ne me father no me papa Jesus ye bɛboa wo to ka so believe Jesus a me se kɔ that's my life eti ma Obinim na metia no unjimi ni a enye news because Jesus Christ will be bringing in into no obi a onyimi ni bia mama ne answer so what your question answer ti be bringing ni a what's the question answer toto bo me
what
found some WhatsApp mo fa WhatsApp to one confo answer the question man me ya
yes say questions asao but
me why
you mean
me nya hwe nkyere mo ima me bie ma no bɔ mpa ye kyerɛ onipa bi a wo hwɛ me me tere me nsa wo so bra sister ma me papa Jesus Christ of Nazareth ɔna ne ho adi nkyerɛ wo ɛmfa wo bi nim ho Jesus Christ of Nazareth ɔna ne ho adi ɛmfa wo bi nim ho nkyerɛ wo